Hey guys, so today I will show you guys what's in my camera cabinet. So yeah, I put all my camera stuff in one cabinet, and today I'm gonna show you guys what that is. So this is where I store all my filming equipment for my GoPro, just in the middle cabinet right here. This is all clothing and stuff like that. So right now I'll just show you guys what I have here for tools. So starting from left to right and then up to down, I'll just show you guys what everything is. So these two things are the same. They're just phone holders. So for whenever I need to put two cameras somewhere, I'll use my phone. And then this is a floaty, so I can put my GoPro on this, stick it in the water just like this, and then it'll just stay to like semi-top of the water, and then it's just nice, you know. I never got to use it yet, but I will definitely use it in my future videos because I have it and I want to use it. Right here we have our little Type-C cable from HP. So yeah, that's my Type-C cable. Right here we have our battery chargers, dual battery chargers from yeah, I don't know what the brand is, but yeah, it works. It also has micro USB right there, and then Type-C right there. Both of them you can use to charge your batteries. Really nice. So pretty much any cable you have on the go with you, you can use. This is my wind diffuser. Really nice to have that one on windy days. It's easy to put on. So yeah, I like this one. This is probably one of my favorite gadgets. It works. I've tried it and it works. Right here we have our secondary battery from Telesin. Pretty good. The only thing is it doesn't read correct percentage of the battery, like at 20%, something like that, it dies, but it lasts about the same length as my GoPro battery. So right now at the bottom row, right now here we have, first of all, our GoPro waterproof case. So because this camera, this GoPro 6 is secondhand, I don't know how the waterproofing is, so I use one of these. This is a tool to adjust, you know, the tightening and detightening the little clamps like this. So you just, let me see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, wrong way. Okay, so there we go. We grab this, and then you can just tighten it and loosen it just like so. Because you can tighten it much better with this, but I never really use this that often. Like to be honest, I've never used it. Just because I have always liked to hand tighten stuff because I'm afraid to break those things. But yeah, here we have like, as you can see, it's a curved mount, so you can put this stuff on your your helmet and everything. I had one of these. I have this one put on my helmet before, but then I changed helmet. So yeah, I need to put this one again on the thing. I just need to get some sticky stuff that are curved like this. So this is a straight one. You can put this one on a dash or something like that. This one is pretty nice. You can put this one on a dash, same as this one. Just yeah, they're both the same. Oh, I dropped it. So I usually put these two like that, like that, like that, there. And then we have in this drawer still a bunch of stuff. Like another curved mount. This is actually, to be honest, this is the one that I put on my helmet. As you can see, this one has all that stuff connected to it. So this is the one I put on my helmet. I probably need to do that again. Oh, look at that, I still have curved ones. Probably can do that then tomorrow. Probably should do that tomorrow. Yeah. Anyways, this is a wrist strap for your wrist, of course. Pretty nice to have this kind of stuff, you know, just this one. I do have the mount somewhere. Yeah. Anyways, this is a wrist strap that you can hook up to this one, and then when you're in the water, you can just use it like that, and you don't have to worry about losing your GoPro. And then right here we have another wrist strap, and then an empty baggie is always nice to have. Stuff like this, you know. I've got a bunch of these mounts, you know, as you can tell. But these mounts work, you know, especially the 3M ones. Like, honestly, they're really nice. So let me just put this one back here. There we go. And that's all I have in my camera cabinet. So hopefully you like this video. Maybe you have some more suggestions on what you could potentially buy for your GoPro next. These are the things that I use, you know, and some of them I haven't used yet, but it just came with the kit with my GoPro, because this is a secondhand GoPro and there was a guy that just wanted to get rid of everything. So yeah, I just got a pretty good deal on it for like, I think the whole thing was, well, it was 1100 Kwai, which, yeah, it was less than 200 bucks. Like it was at 180 bucks, something like that, US dollars. So 180 US dollars for the camera, a couple of mounts, a couple of accessories, and it works. I have also a bunch of these little tripods that you guys are on right now. I have like 3 of them. Don't ask me why. I just kept upgrading them, and I have some favorite ones. Like this is a nice one for my desk, and I have downstairs one that I didn't show you guys, but that's the Zedoli pod. I have a review on that one on my channel. I will link it up there or there, wherever the cards are. I never know where the cards are on YouTube. I'm not even kidding. But I'll definitely let you guys know about that one. I'll share that one with you guys, so you guys can check that one out. And that's about it. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, then definitely smash that like. And if you thought this was okay video, you're also okay with pressing the dislike button. And while I point down, you can always leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya, guys.